coming from Navy. I want to acknowledge what we are doing here. Just yesterday, I listened to this woman from Philippines, and when she was addressing a team of scientists about this climate change, and at the end of the day, ended up by asking them, is it not a shame that all of us are here, things like this are happening, there's no solution yet. So I want to acknowledge why we're here. Let me not waste our time. You see, this issue of climate change and flooding. Flooding comes especially during the rainy season. When the rain starts, we start expecting flooding. And towards the ending of the year, dry spell comes in, maybe in a different form. You see, that takes me, it has become very necessary that we start thinking of irrigation, irrigating the south. The planting system in the south is just during the rainy season. After planting during the rainy season, the dry season, every person is off from the farm. You have to wait for another rainy season. But this climate change is now changing the pattern. And when it is time for the planting season, it comes with flood. You see what happened this year, when it was predicted that the flood for this year will be more than that of last year. And so many farmers, ran away. Some of them, they didn't plant. They said, no, I don't want to waste my energy. But at the end of the day, there was no such flood. You see? And they are regretting. Yeah, they are regretting. And it's unfortunate. And it's unfortunate that there was no such apology from the federal government for misleading these farmers. And they are complaining. You see? So, what I'm saying is that it has become necessary now that we start thinking of how to irrigate the other part of the country. We want to think of the type of irrigation that we will give the south. It may not necessarily be the type we have in the north because of the topography and the telos system. It could be the sprinkling type that is affordable. There was a day I was cracking joke with somebody, and I asked the person, if you look at the NEPA system of lightening our, lightening our environment, it could be a village that is very far, but we'll make sure that by the time you arrange this poles, the light will get to that place. And I begin to ask somebody, can't we now start laying pipes that can even go very far to where we have these patches of land? So that the river basin, this type of network of NEPA, can't we imitate them by laying pipes? Putting pumping machine in these our rivers and all the rest of them to pump water, so that if I want to irrigate my farm that is very far, I just have to lay pipe down to that place and put this surface irrigation and plant my crop, especially during the dry season. Since it could not be possible to provide that kind of irrigation we see in the north, I don't know if you have a picture of what I'm saying.
The idea comes across.
Yes.
In fact, even yesterday, there
I'm only provoking a thought. Yes.
That talked about promoting this dual cropping